Hello everybody, Guitar Body Spaces FDW Door FDL here, and today I'm going to review my 2020 edition of my Thomas & Friends VHS and DVD collection. Now, nothing is updated as usual, but I decided to put two bonuses. And I also updated the box arts for some of these DVDs. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the VHS tapes, starting with Thomas and the Magic Railroad. This movie is rated G and it's 84 minutes. Let's see what the cartridge number is 47. There's two print dates. The 44th week of 1997 and the 38th week of 2000. Now I think this is a recycled tape because this tape is made in 2000. Here's the last VHS tape I have, for now. It's Great to Be an Engine. And I repaired this tape with Scotch tape. The episodes are Too Hot for Thomas, Emily's Adventure, You Can Do It Toby, Gordon Takes Charge, Edward the Great, Jamie Goes Too Far, and Percy and the Magic Carpet. The running time for this tape is 60 minutes. The print date is August 4th, 2004, number 58. So that's it for the VHS tapes. Now let's get on to the DVDs. And I have it released as Childhood Year, of course. Thomas, Percy, and the Dragon. And the episodes are Thomas, Percy, and the Dragon, Donald and Douglas, The Tuption, Time for Trouble, A Scarf for Percy, The Denzel, and Edward Exploits. The running time for this DVD is 37 minutes. Here's the disc. And this is not rated Thomas and the Toy Workshop. And yes, I do have printed out the front and the spine. There's no episode, but I'm not going to read the special features, but if you want to read them, just pause the video. I'll also show the special features for Thomas, Percy, and the Dragon, and It's Great to Be an Engine. The running time for this DVD is 50 minutes. And here are the special features for Thomas, Percy, and the Dragon if you want to read them. Just pause the video, because I'm not going to read them. So yeah, let me put these back to the side. Okay, next up I have is The Ultimate Christmas. This is the limited version. And I put this in a blue case because of the snow. There's no episode list, but here are the special features if you want to pause the video and read them. The running time for this DVD is 60 minutes. Released in 2007. And Thomas and the Workshop Factories released in 2007. And Thomas, Percy, and the Dragon, 2006. Okay. Okay, we have the 10 Years of Thomas. And yes, I do have the actual case for it. It's a little blurry to read the episodes and bonus features, but if you want to try to read them, that's fine. Comment down below if you want to type the episodes and the story stops for this, since it's a little blurry. And I can't find the running time. This is 60 minutes, I think. Let me look at the DVD itself. Released in 2005. I don't know, but my guess is 50 minutes for this DVD. If I'm wrong, just comment down below and tell me what the actual running time is for this DVD. Okay, next up I have is Calling All Engines. And here are the special features if you want to read them if you want. It's from 2005. And it's not rated for every single one except for Thomas and the Magic Railroad. This is 50 minutes for this DVD. Carnival Creepers. Okay. No special features shown, but I'll read the running time. Released in 2007 and it's 57 minutes for this DVD. And last DVD I have, here are the rails. And I'll show you the bonus stuff. Okay, and this is not rated and it's 60 minutes. And here are the bonus features if you want to read them. And let me show you the bonus stuff. The Winter Wonderland, which you only get one episode, just like the Nick Jr. favorites. Let's see what the episode is. Keeping Up with James. This is 60 minutes for this DVD. And I'll show you something else. It's not a DVD or VHS. It's actually this is a Thomas and Friends poster that I just found at my local Cabela's. But yeah, it's a really nice photo. But anyways, that's it for my Thomas and Friends VHS and DVD collection.